gamers, welcome back to another insecure YouTube video. Today, we get close up. Hello, what's good gamers? I know I already said that. It's really dark, you can't even see my face. Hold on. That's more like it. Now what? Ooh, I know, editor. Insert the intro now. So, let's get into the real video. Ow. That's more like it. I made a play button. I made it out of tin foil and paper and one staple. It's my masterpiece. I love it. I don't even know where to put it. Ooh, I have an idea. Let's put it on the ground. You ready? Go! Great. I don't know where to put it. I know where to put it. No, that won't work. 2 hours later. I have an idea. Several moments after I cleared everything off my desk, I put it right here. It can have the spotlight on my desk. Hello gamers, what's going on? I'll try and post again today, like right after this video comes out. I hope you like it, and make sure to subscribe gamers.